The Eurasian coot, also known simply as the coot, is a species of water bird belonging to the rail family, Rallidae. It is found across Europe, Asia, Australia, and parts of Africa, inhabiting freshwater lakes, ponds, marshes, and slow-flowing rivers. The Eurasian coot is easily recognizable by its predominantly black plumage, white bill with a distinctive white frontal shield, and red eyes. It has lobed toes, which are adapted for swimming, and it is an adept diver and swimmer, using its feet to propel itself underwater in search of aquatic plants, insects, and small fish, which make up its diet. During the breeding season, Eurasian coots construct floating nests made of reeds, grasses, and other vegetation. They are monogamous birds, with pairs forming strong bonds and sharing the responsibilities of nest building, incubating the eggs, and caring for the chicks. The call of the Eurasian coot is a series of loud, repetitive kook or cook sounds, often heard during the breeding season, as individuals establish territories and communicate with one another. After the nest is built, the female Eurasian coot lays a clutch of eggs, usually ranging from 5 to 10 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs, with the female typically taking on the majority of the incubation duties during the day, and the male relieving her at night. During the hatching period, while one parent is incubating the eggs, the other parent may be foraging for food to bring back to the nest. Once the eggs begin to hatch, both parents become more actively involved in caring for the hatchlings. They work together to provide food for the chicks, usually in the form of insects, small fish, and aquatic vegetation. This shared responsibility ensures that the chicks receive the nourishment they need to grow and thrive. Both parents work tirelessly to gather food for their hungry chicks. They hunt for small aquatic invertebrates, insects, fish, and plant matter in the water surrounding their nesting area. The parents then bring the food back to the nest, where they feed it to their chicks by regurgitating it into their mouths. The parents also provide protection for their chicks, keeping a watchful eye out for potential predators and intervening if necessary to scare them away. They may use alarm calls or aggressive displays to deter threats and ensure the safety of their offspring. The parents also provide protection for their chicks, keeping a watchful eye out for potential predators, and during the early days after hatching, the parents help regulate the temperature of tea if necessary to scare them away. They may use alarm calls or aggressive displays to deter threats and ensure the safety of their offspring. As the chicks grow, the parents begin to teach them important skills they will need for survival. They demonstrate how to forage for food, how to swim and dive for prey, and how to recognize and respond to danger. Throughout the entire process, the parents provide nurturing and reassurance to their chicks, offering comfort and support as they navigate the challenges of life in the wild. Despite being widespread and relatively common, Eurasian coot populations face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and predation. However, their adaptability and ability to thrive in a variety of wetland habitats have helped them maintain stable populations in many parts of their range. They are also protected in many countries by conservation laws and regulations.